Кыргызстан!
Every time I see you and I look into your eyes, there is feeling that I get, and it's way down deep inside. And girl, I've been trying to hold on, but see that you're not sure. I just hope to realize what my heart is going through. How long am I these feelings go on? How long am I sustain a pain? And how long am I these feelings go on? For the right time to I know all about the hurt and the problem thing that bad. I know why we're scared of love, cause it didn't just won't listen long. Well, I'm here to tell you what I'm saying is all true, that ain't nobody else in life they can take them plate of you. How long am I these feelings go on? How long am I sustain a pain? How long am I these feelings go on? Waiting for the night, waiting for the right time to run. Why can't we just run away? Oh, run. At least when we can be alone, nobody find it wrong. Can we both just run away? These feelings go on. How long am I sustain a pain? How long am these feelings go on? Waiting for the night, waiting for the right time to come.
Спасибо.
Это был мировой хит в исполнении Омара из Кыргызстана. Жюри, он практически на коленях, просил поставить вас хорошие оценки. Прислушайтесь.
Жюри оценивает Омара, а я напоминаю, уважаемые телезрители, не забывайте оценивать выступления понравившихся вам конкурсантов. Присылайте свои смс-сообщения. Итак, оценки Омару. 11, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 10 и щедрая 11.
2 раза 11, Вадим. Вот у тебя настоящее белорусское зрение. 11 от Валерия.